It's a wrap. Highlights of 2021 Fashion Week. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. In today's video, I'm going to just share with you some of the highlights of our 2021 Virginia Fashion Week. This is the event that I created in 2007. So we had to take a little bit of a hiatus due to COVID, but we were back in full force. And after 5 months of planning and 5 days of hustle, it's over. So I'm going to just share with you a few of the highlights. The actual planning for our shows this year began back in the spring when we made the decision to go ahead with this fall's events. What you see are the final results, but a lot goes into the planning. First, we have to find a venue, we have to find sponsors, figure out how we're going to pay for it all, and plan the course of the week. What day are we going to do our main designer showcase? What other events are we going to have? And who's going to come on board with us? Well, this year we had some incredible sponsor partners that I want to acknowledge. Poolside Cooking. Are you familiar with that channel? I wasn't. I'd never heard of it until now. But it's the fastest growing channel on Roku. It's located right here in Virginia Beach. They provide all original content. Not just poolside cooking, but also fashion, politics, comedy, pretty much anything you're interested in. They've got all kinds of shows and they're growing like wildfire. And we were so happy to have them as our title sponsor and partner in this event. We got to make 2 appearances on the Poolside Cooking TV show, and their presence at all of our events just made it extra fabulous. Other sponsors that we had, Team Lamb. They are a growing fashion brand, an urban brand with a line called Chasing Metals. And for the 4th year, we worked with Dillard's Lynn Haven Mall. They're the best department store in the area, and the manager is absolutely wonderful to work with. She attended most of our other events as well. Another sponsor we were proud to welcome to the fold this year, the Art Institute. The Art Institute hosted our opening reception and provided us with delicious food. I also want to give a shout out to Amelia Garber, a realtor, Bonnier Custom Clothing, and all the many designers and creators that were there at our event. And most importantly, I have to recognize my partner at VA Fashion Week from the very beginning, International Runway Director and Stylist Ron Cook. So here are some highlights from our week. Wednesday night started with the opening reception at the Art Institute of Virginia Beach. Fabulous food and a festive atmosphere. It provided the perfect opening. And Thursday we went to Bunker Brew Pub, showcasing Team Lamb and their collection Chasing Metals. Friday, we celebrated the hottest fashion trends with Dillard's. So this is my final look for today. All dressed, ready for the show. Saturday was a lot of fun with the Art to Wear design competition hosted by Michael Copon at Copon Studios. Sunday was our Day of Designers at the Museum of Contemporary Art. Take a look at some of the fabulous emerging designers that showcased with us this year. Okay, well that's all for this video. I want to thank all of our designers, models, sponsors, vendors, everyone that supported us in VA Fashion Week 2021. Looking forward to 2022. If you're interested in being a part of next year's events, leave a comment down below with your email address and I'll be in touch. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.